Alright, if you want to add a video slider like this in your Blogger and WordPress website, then this video is for you. So as you can see, I have added few YouTube videos in a slider format and it is fully responsive. So let me switch to responsive mode and let me reduce this size so user can easily scroll between the video like this. So let me expand the size. And here it is. So it is fully responsive in all devices. Let me close that. Now let's check how we can add a video slider like this to our Blogger and WordPress website. So let me just show you how to add it in Blogger first. So it is very simple. Just go to your Blogger website. Let's create a new post, or you can open your existing post. So let me set it like video slider. And I need to paste a code like this, so let me copy it and paste it. That's it. Now we need to change the video ID. Just go to YouTube and here you can click on any of the video. Just click on share and here you will see the full URL. So let me copy it and let me paste it here. So this is the YouTube URL. So you need to remove the part after the question mark. Just remove that. Now you will get the video ID. Just copy it and you need to replace that video ID here before the question mark. Just replace that. Let's publish it and let's check if this video is embedded or not. So let me view this blog post, and as you can see, the same video is now replaced and you can see all these videos are added like this. Now if you want to add it in WordPress, then you can just go to your WordPress dashboard, open your existing post or page, and here you need to add a custom HTML block. And if you are using any other page builder, then you can also add that. So let me add the code here. Here it is. Now let me switch to preview mode, and as you can see, we have added the video slider like this. So user can click on any of the video and it will start playing that video, and user can switch to another video and play that video. So all the function will work. So it will switch to full screen mode. User can enable subtitle and all these settings. And if I go to the next slider, the first video will pause automatically and user can watch the video like this. So this is how you can add a video slider to your Blogger and WordPress website. So I have included the code link in the description. Just copy it and paste it. That's it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.